Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Testing the stream out real quick, you know what I'm saying? Making everything get cracking. I can see the comments right here. So today is about to be a little bit interesting because I'm gonna do what the fuck I want to do today, which is, what's up, Queenie? What's up? Shreddy? About to go over some stocks and stuff. You feel me? So let's go deeper into the world of Tyllionaire. Let's get it. So first thing, gonna pull up charts over here. Go ahead and switch the stream. Feel me? All right, so I said I was going to, go in and talk about Disney, right? So let me tell you some shit about Disney real quick. All right. So give me 1 second. All right, I'm just setting everything up for you right now. Good morning. Where you guys tuning in from? Let me know in the motherfucking comment section. What's good? Feel me? You know what it is. All right, so let me go ahead and load up the yearly real quick and show you what we fucking with over here. And give me 1 second to draw a box. Where the fuck is the box at? I'm trying to look for this like a box so I could just kind of show you. Well, fuck it. I mean, an arrow will work too. All right. So, what is this? About $28 before it start rising again. All right. So this was back in, what is this? September 2011, right? So when I'm looking at money and I'm looking at trends and I'm looking at occurrences, I look at things that are gonna happen, over and over. All right. So I look at things that are gonna happen, 2 and 3 times. I look at things that are gonna happen, or have a great trend. And what I mean is, look, and I know that Disney is a very trending company. And what I mean is they've put out consistent bangers. Just on the movie aspect, if we're not even talking about theme parks and ticket sales and stuff like that, Disney World and Disneyland and things like that, just on movies in general, Disney's put out consistent bangers. All right. And do they not own the MCU as well? You feel me? So what is this? June 2011. I don't know what that is, but let's go look back and see what happened with Disney in June 2011, right? Disney, June 2011. And you can find out what happened and why that buzz came. All right. So look at May, Star Wars. So it must have been Star Wars that made that spike happen. You know what I'm saying? So looking back, I just see Magic Kingdom attractions. Oh, this is 2000, boom, 2000. Let me see, Disney World, theme parks, boom. We just got to go back and see. I like to go back and see. He said, good afternoon. What's going on? Today's my birthday. Hey, happy birthday. I like to go back and see why trends happen. You know what I'm saying? So we see the spike happen over here in, what is this? What is October, August. So August 2011. Let me look a little bit closer. Boom. I didn't get in back here. I wish I would have gotten back here. That would have been fucking lit, right? And then, like I said, they also bought Marvel. They have the MCU as well. So that's Avengers. You feel me? So if you're invested in Disney, then you're making money with Avengers. You feel me? You're making money with off your favorite character, Thanos. You're making money off your favorite characters inside of that as well. So every time those movies drop, you got to think that's, something that can maybe possibly spike the stock market as well, and then, investors come in, they're like, hey, I see, Disney's making a lot of money. Let's give Disney more money to make more money. Let's give them more money to make more money. All right. So I'm just trying to figure out what went down back here in, what is this, September 2011. All right. And this is where the price was at about $30. It dropped a little bit and then it just started taking off. All right. And really just took the fuck off around this area right here. So we got to go back and see, like I said, what went down with that. All right. This is June 2011. All right. This is not really showing me anything. Star Wars weekends. Okay. So did the Star Wars attraction come too? And does that mean that when new attractions, because I keep seeing Star Wars, so I'm not sure if the Star Wars attraction came to Disney back there in 2011. All right, because if so, and what that means is when you have, you know, new attractions and really, really dope rides coming out, then investors are like, hey, like I was telling you on the last stream, investors are like, hey, I might as well get involved with the ride because a lot of people are going to come see this new attraction and spend a lot of money. So in a sense, as an investor on your end, you're like, hey, I'm investing into, you know, Disney, or I'm investing into whatever it is because I believe is going to make me more money. All right. So as we look back, like I said, as we look back here, I'm just trying to see what went down in 2011. I see, boom, the first 2 weekends are expected to be Star Wars weekends. All right. So in a sense, I'm thinking, I'm just looking at this little bit of information right here. I can go deeper into it, you know, but maybe the Star Wars attraction helped, you know, solidify that Disney was not going anywhere. Everybody knows it already because like the consistent movies that are consistent bangers. All right. So, you know, when I'm making my decisions, usually I get a bunch of information like this. I'm gathering a lot of information like this, and then I go and look. Like I said, we went all the way back to 2011. You know what I'm saying? I went all the way to 2011 to see, oh man, you know, you're going to be performing well forever. And then plus you got to think it's Disney, a company that's been around and has stood the test of times. All right. So that's why I'm involved with this. And I showed you, like I said, my reasoning behind it. Also, look at the trend. Like, I mean, you can see that just the market's trending up. The market's trending up. All right, so let me go ahead and put some trend lines in there so you can see what I see. All right, so this is what I see right here. So I'm just showing you what I see inside of my head when I'm trading this. Let's see. You had a little breakout right here. All right. So it was consolidating right here. Like, Ty, what are all those chopsticks? This is what I'm looking at and like when I'm looking at the market, like I'm putting this here as a visual for you so you guys can see, but I don't trade with none of this shit on my charts. I don't really like this shit on my charts. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, I'm looking at this shit and I'm just like, boom, this is what it is. I'm buying. You know what I'm saying? So in my mind, all of this stuff that you see on the screen is going on. All right. But I had to make it in visual aspects for you. A lot of you guys probably like, damn, I don't know what the fuck he's talking about, but it's interesting. Like, this is my world, man. This is you know, well, usually I trade forex, but I mean, in a sense, like I said, this is my world. All right, so all of these, everything I'm showing you are like patterns and stuff. And I know this looks like, you know, foreign language and shit like that, but like I said, all I'm doing is telling you why I, you know, made my financial decision. All right, we got another breakout right here. All right. So what does this mean? After, like, basically this is an engulfing candlestick right here. This big ass candlestick, these big candlesticks are called engulfings. You know what I'm saying? So when you see engulfing candles and things like that, and over here you see this was a previous high. Like I said, probably you guys don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but I'm telling you, you know what it is. You can go back and you be like, damn, this is what it is. So right here, this was a previous high right here, right? And that price was 126. Came back to retest that 126, well, this is 121. I don't know why this said 126. Oh, because that's where my mouse was at. Okay, this is 120, so it didn't come all the way down to retest that. Boom. All right, so it could have, but broke new highs over here on this engulfing candlesticks, and basically we're going to be in a bullish trend up. You know what I'm saying? So what a bullish trend means is everybody's in a buying mood right now. The market's trending up. We're all buying right now. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to break this high right here. So which means the stock right now is at 132 or well, 131 at market close, right? So let's see, let's try to get the exact price. What is it? Oh, 132.75 at market close, right? So I mean, we're looking at a monthly chart. So in the next few months, you're gonna see Disney break these highs, which is you're gonna see it break 143 and continue, you know, north to wherever the fuck it can get to 200, it can get to $300. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? But look, this is a very good investment right now. And then just to solidify, you know, my financial decision even more. You probably like, damn, well, you know, Well, how else can you make money through this right here? So this is just, you know, a stock. You can get a bunch of shares of Disney. It's $132 per share. You know what I'm saying? Start saving your checks and dumping money away. They pay semi-annually. That's 2 times a year. All right. So there's companies that you can invest in. You want to build your portfolio. There's companies that you can invest in that pay monthly dividends. That means they pay you a check every single month. Okay, there's companies that you can invest in that pay quarterly. What quarterly means is they pay you 4 times a year. So like 4 quarters, you know what I'm saying? They pay you every 4 months, you know what I'm saying? Which is dope. Well, every 3 months, sorry, every 3 months for 3 times 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. But yeah, they pay you 4 times a year, you know what I'm saying? Well, accordingly, you got companies that pay you, you know, semi-annually, just like what we're looking at right here, like Disney. All right, so like I said, man, this is my world. A lot of people are like, man, you know, how can we make money? There's REITs that you can invest in as well. There's all sorts of things you can invest in, but like I just showed you the decisions behind why I hopped inside of Disney. You know what I'm saying? This is something, and also you know that they have more construction going on right now. I just went to Disney World, Florida. So anytime, you got to think, guys, anytime a company's under construction is the best time to put your money in, because you got to think, if I'm building something big, I'm expecting big profits back, right? Like if I was to build a big roller coaster, I'm expecting people to come and ride the roller coaster. If I'm building, you know, let's say they're building a big MCU part of Disney somewhere in Japan or something like that, and you find out about that construction, then you want to hop in, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever company, you want to hop in at the construction. You feel me? At the ground floor, at the construction. A lot of people try to get in after the shit is already built. You want to hop in at the construction, and that's what's going to be able to, you know, help you profit for the longest. Like I said, I looked at 2011. We looked at 2011. It kept saying this thing about Star Wars attraction. So I don't know. Maybe the Star Wars attraction was built around that time, and you know, after they launched it, it shot the stock up. Right now, it's a lot of construction going on at Disney again. They're redoing downtown Disney. We went to downtown Disney. We had to walk in through an entirely different area because of the construction that's going on, which means Disney is expecting a lot of new money, right? So this can work with anything. You can invest in McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? They pay every single month as well, you know what I'm saying? You got to find companies like that. So it's just really, really cool things, man, that you can hop in and, you know, make yourself some money and stuff like that. All right, so let's go back to what we're looking at. So like I said, boom, this was Disney. So I gave you the decisions behind that. I gave you why I'm hopping in that joint right there. You feel me? And you probably like, yo, like I said, this is all these chopsticks and shit. I call them chopsticks, but they're really trend lines. This is a bullish flag right here. All right, what you looking at right here? So everything has like a name and shit to it, and it's all like a bunch of confusing jargon that I took a minute to, you know, study and all of that shit. It was like 6 or 7 years now, you know what I'm saying, studying this boring shit. But now, like I said, I don't like to use none of this shit, because when I'm looking at the market, I literally can just, without all these lines on it, like you can just see the market going up. You feel me? You just see it rising. You feel me? And right here, you see this big ass candlestick that just kind of overtook all the power that was going over here. Disney is a thriving fucking brand. This shit is about to bust again. Look, you feel me? So this is a new month. This candlestick right here is November. You got to think, we're on November 2nd. All right. So every candlestick is 1 month. So right here, this green that we're on right here, this green this right here, this is a new month. So we're already bullish in this new month. We already have fucking, you know, money being made in this new month. Soon this shit's gonna pop 140 That's where it was at. That was the previous high. Once it pops that shit, when was that? August. It's gonna pop that shit, man. Market's been performing well, right? It's gonna pop the 143 and take the fuck off. Who knows where Disney's going, you know? But I'm in. We're making this money, right? So now, another thing I did, I was like another thing I do is this as well. I'm like, well, if construction is going on, I want to invest in the construction company that, you know, is doing the construction, and is that company on the market, or is there a bigger company that owns that smaller construction company that I can invest in while they go ahead and do this major construction or these major renovations, you feel me, before a lot of big money comes in. Like I said, man, like, people ask how I got free from the fucking rat race. Like, I figured it out. Like, you can literally use your money to get free. All right, so like I told you, there's ways to use the stock market to get free. You can do drop shipping. You can do, it's all e-commerce. There's 100,000 plus ways on the internet to get it. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm Tyllionaire. This is what I love to do. You know what I'm saying? I like these numbers. I fucking hate these numbers and I like these numbers. The life of a trader, I'm looking at this shit all day like, feel me? Or fucking with y'all and playing video games, you know what I'm saying, while the other shit goes on in the background. You dig? So it's easier to just, would you rather look at this shit or just be playing video games knowing that this is going on for you? Your money's working for you in a sense. I don't have to worry about Disney. Look, we know Disney's gonna make money, okay? So, some more companies, right? I wrote some shit down, so give me a second. And then also, we're gonna let some shit bang in the background. Who's still here, man? Who's still here? Who in here getting this work right now, man? Trying to get this guapo with your boy. Feel me? You're trying to get this young guapo with your boy. Right? So now let's look at okay, one of the homies put some shit out. They said some companies to watch in 2020 was AT&T. The reason why the growth opportunity from launching OTT content services and expanding digital ad revenue is significant. What's crazy is I have AT&T services, right? And one of the workers came here and told me that I should be investing in AT&T as well. And I told him, I was like, yeah, man, I'm gonna look into it. But now I'm looking at this dude, Rashad Bilal. He's really, really big in the entrepreneurship world as well, a black entrepreneur doing his thing. And he put out this list that Business Week put out, and they put the reason why, and AT&T is at the top of the list. So let me go over here and look at AT&T. Feel me? Boom. Where the fuck, bro? AT&T. Where the fuck? I think it's T. Hold on, let me see where it's at. Okay. Oh, it is T. Easy call. I was like, damn, it's T, but it is T. Say no mas. All right. Boom, AT&T. Let me go ahead and put some beats on the background and shit too, cause y'all probably like, man, it's how this shit boring without the music. I know, I got you though. Don't trip. You feel me? It's just I need y'all to get this work for real. You feel me? That's what's gonna get you shit the most profitable. You dig? So we're gonna turn the beats on though. Yo, look at all this bullish action over here with the monthly with AT&T. It's popping right now. Let me see. Okay, so the highest high, always when I look at the market, I always scroll out to look at the highest high. You know what I'm saying? The highest high lets you know how high it's gonna go, or if it's gonna get back to that area. You feel me? So like Disney, when we look at the highest high and we zoom all the way out, I mean, in a sense, we're at the highest high right now. You feel me? What I mean is like, we're in great, the market, if you look at it like, fucking, how do I explain it in simplest terms for people who don't understand? Let me turn it into a line for you here. So I could turn these into a line, and that's how you should be looking at the market. So if you just looked at a line from this angle, and I was like, yo, is the market going up or down? Just from looking at this line, minus these arrows that I showed you, minus anything, this line is just going up, right? If you've seen the same line just pointing down, literally just traded the direction of the market, right? So we're buying, even if you're just like, damn, I don't know what I'm doing, but the market looks like it's going up just because this line is going up. When you see a line going down, you know what I'm saying? You could just sell it just because it's like, damn, it's going down, it's trending, without even doing an analysis, but strictly off of price action, strictly off of price action. And what price action is, you can use price action analysis. Price action analysis is just using the price, to analyze what's going on. If price was, at a certain price before, is it going to hit there again? Is it going to repeat the same thing, or is it going to grow and get past that, or is it going to, fall to its own, demise or whatever like that? So that's a way to look at it too. But like I said, let's put our candles back up. Let's go back over to AT&T. Your layout was changed. Boom. All right, so right now, price is good. Everybody's saying that we should be looking at AT&T in 2020. So now I'm gonna go look at some information. It's green right here, so it's been nothing but bullets for one, some exhaustion. Well, we could still count it as green though too, because it price still went up. You feel me? It still went up 3, 4, 5, and now we're on a 6 months. So I mean, they've been doing good business for the past almost full year. So if they're a company to look at, in 2020, let's go see some stuff about AT&T. Now I looked up something that says something about OTT services, launching OTT content services. So let's see what that is, right? OTT content services. All right, over the top media services, streaming service offered directly to viewers over the internet. OTT bypasses cable broadcast and satellite television platforms that traditionally act as a controller or distributor of such content. And then you can even go invest in the distributor of the content, like, you know what I'm saying? So it's different ways. So I just need to know what this was, because I didn't know what the OTT was, right? So Prime, Fubo, Hulu, Netflix. Okay, so they basically got a streaming service as well. I guess they're trying to bring out. All right, OTC service with AT&T. All right, let's see what they got. Does AT&T have? Boom, here it is right here. This is back in 2018. Okay, so they're just trying to get into the streaming game. Prepares services that are released more. Boom, April 2019. So this is, just how I'm opening up all these tabs. This is basically how I'm doing my research. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to show you how I pick my shit. So people will be like, yo, bro, how do you look at your money, man? Like, just like this is research. It takes time. You know what I'm saying? But I go through it just like this, man. I don't just jump into shit. I take time and look at it like you guys should do as well. Don't just take my word for it. Fuck what I'm saying. Go look at it yourself. Go study the game yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Who's gonna listen to some hood dude with a fucking do-rag and shit, man? You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, right. All right, so this was 2018. That's a dead article, but this will tell me something. They're gearing up to launch another one. Okay. They're trying to get it cracking. Intention to launch it. All right. All right, let's see that. Okay, cool. This was 2019. Okay. Beta tested in Q3, offering viewers an internet delivered TV option. All right. HBO Max. So do they own HBO? Let me see. Wait. HBO Max will roll out in the spring and DirecTV remains a priority. Hold on. Now let me find out what companies AT&T owns so I can see how big the grasp is. I know Comcast is a big media giant as well, so let's find out how many and who and what media companies AT&T owns, right? So boom. And this is how this is, and these are the networks right here. So let me pull this over. You probably can't see because the screen is so big and shit. There it is right there. So those are some companies that they own. So they own Adult Swim. So when you invest into AT&T, this is what you're investing in. DC Films. Shit, that's Batman, bro. When you're spending money with AT&T, you're investing in a DC Films franchise. What? That's fucking huge. You feel me? Like, man, look. I say put your money where your mouth is. You feel me? I like to do these type of lives. Yeah, it's boring, but it's talk about money. A lot of people are stuck doing whatever the fuck it is that they got to do is because they don't understand how to make their money work for them. I'm young. I mean, you see fucking Versace pillows. I got the maid on the way right now doing what the fuck I do because, I figured this shit out. I know how to make my money work for me. I'm paying my maid, so in a sense, my money is working for me. You feel me? So I don't have to clean up because I'm paying her to clean up. I don't have to do the dishes because I'm paying her to do the dishes. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, learn something, man. I could teach you the game, but you're going to pick it up. All right, so let's see. This is more. Damn. 98 companies AT&T, Time Warner will own after the $85 billion merger. Like I said, somebody said to be looking at AT&T. Business Week said to be looking at AT&T in 2020. One of my boys posted the shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking at it right now like, yo. And it said the growth opportunity from launching OTT content services and expanding digital ad revenue is significant, meaning that they're expecting some fucking heavy growth. You feel me? He said it's good stuff, man. Hey, I'm giving you game to get the fuck out of the rat race, bro. I mean, a lot of people, they came and they left, but they not ready for this shit, bro. They gotta watch me play Grand Theft Auto and go back to work. Y'all get this game, you feel me? We could be playing Grand Theft Auto, Wall Street trapping together. You know what I'm saying? You ain't worried about your bread. Even in GTA, they show you how the stock market work. I was just telling my girl, GTA is literally the best business game in the world. Like, they teach you how to run your fucking shit. You nigga, if you're a boss in GTA and not a boss in real life, then it just wasn't made for you to be a boss. You know what I'm saying? Because they teach you how to be a fucking boss in the game. Go check in your supply. Now you need to resupply. You know what I'm saying? Now you need to sell your fucking product. You know what I'm saying? But you can even invest in the stock market in GTA. Go do things inside of the world of GTA to spike the market. In a sense, this is the same thing. We're looking at, AT&T looking for a $85 billion merger, right? This was just in 2018. So let's see if they purchase Time Warner. All right. All right, let's look at it again. Just companies. AT&T owns. What's up, Jose? What's the deal, bro? I'm trying to see. Here it is right here. I need to see all the fucking companies that were AT&T Corporation. There we go. History, origin, and growth. I'm giving y'all a big game right here. You feel me? All right, so, hey, who remembers Southwestern Bell, bro? Who remembers that shit, bro? Southwestern Bell. Hey, do you remember that, bro? Who remembers this though? All right, this was, when it broke up. I need to find out what they own though. Latin America. All right, NYMEX, US West, Verizon, AT&T owns Verizon. All right, CenturyLink. Let's see. I'm still looking for fucking net income. We're not looking at incomes. I'm looking for sponsorships. Also, they're sponsoring fucking, arenas and all type of shit like that, yo. So, hey, man, I'm gonna fuck with this company, bro. What is the stock, like $30 right now? I'm gonna cash out on this shit. Where's it at? I can't buy it now because the market's closed, but Monday, feel me? Yeah, it's only at $38. $40 is motherfucking shit, man. I'll stack up on this shit. Let me see. Let me go ahead and show you what I see real quick. I could make that much cleaner. I could even put a fucking Fibonacci on my charts too, but like I said, that's going into hella detail, man. I'm just trying to make this shit as simple as possible for people who've never traded stocks before. Like, bro, I usually trade naked as shit. You know what I'm saying? So this shit don't even be on my charts. If we were to reach a new high, then the new high will be $42. So still, you got $4 growth. Hello? Yeah. You coming through? All right, come through. I'm on live right now, so just come through. Hit me when you downstairs. That's solid. All right. Yo, he said, I see you on your boss shit. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. All right, so I'm gonna let that shit crack. All right, so I'm gonna get an AT&T. Like I said, I want to go look at more companies that they're invested in, more companies that they own. You got to look at these shits from a holistic view. And when you're invested in companies, like, you got to look at all the companies that Disney owns. Like, we didn't even go into that. I just showed you the real estate part of that and the construction and, things like that. But bro, your money could be working for you and you literally don't have to work. People tell you Tyler's like one of the laziest people in the world. And I am, because I will literally make my money work for me. If it's something I won't do, like if it's something I don't want to do, I'm not doing that shit. You feel me? Like, point blank clear. Why the fuck would I waste my time doing that? Like, you know what I'm saying? Not to say I can't clean up the house, but like, I'm paying the maid so I can be on here reviewing the market with you guys, going over companies that, you know what I'm saying, I'm about to get in and all of that. That's, so my money's working for me while I go and look for places to put more money. That's the game, man. Feel me? It's ways to get bread online. I'm working on a website right now for you guys, so you can go there and, a lot of information to be there. So you be able to get that shit cracking. You feel me? So let's see. This is OTT. I need to look up. I'm looking for, what I'm looking for is the companies that AT&T owns, man. I just had that shit pulled up. Oh, here it is right here. AT&T Corporation. Here's boom, apart from your soul. Okay. New kind of media about the mergers. All right, here it is right here. So let's see, AT&T Corporation. What's up, Queenie? Let's see what they fucking own. Okay. Damn, they held a monopoly on the phone service. That's fucking beast, bro. That is beast. And they really did though, bro. Hey, Bell was the shit though. Hey, they really did own the fucking monopoly on that. Just like fucking not Charles Slim Helu. Carlos Slim Helu that runs Telcom in, well, Telmex in fucking Mexico. All right, so they broke the shit up. They broke the shit up after, and I feel you. They had to break these niggas up. Hey, bro, it's right here though. It's all in the detail. Like, AT&T's a fucking giant. We just did the research to see that they were a fucking monopoly. Like, if that's not a reason to get involved, basically AT&T is like the fucking telecommunications mob, bro. Yo, big shit. Okay. I'm trying to look for fucking, it's like I'm looking for divisions. I don't need divisions. Nicknames, the branding, I don't need that. What I'm looking for is to see the companies that they own. HBO. Okay, so here we go. So here's the companies that AT&T owns. All right, HBO. Does anybody watch HBO? So investing in AT&T, you get a chance to own a piece of HBO. So you get to, instead of watching this shit, you know what I'm saying? At least let the fucking TV pay you to watch it. You feel me? If HBO was paying you a check, you know what I'm saying, to watch HBO, would you watch HBO more? Now you getting paid to watch it, so now it's not even leisure time. You can literally be like, I'm getting fucking paid to watch TV. You feel me? Next level shit. I fucking made that, man. She always late. Why Magda always late? Huh? I said, why Magda always late? Always. Feel me? She gonna be like, oh, the traffic. Like, nigga, I be tipping and shit, but you know, like, nigga. Depends on what side she coming from. Because if she coming from LA, yeah, and she catching the 405 this way, yeah, it's never no traffic. I feel you. Me going to Long Beach, yeah, that's the traffic. But even at this time, yeah, ain't no traffic. I feel you. All right, so boom, AT&T owns HBO. All right. And that's the fucking biggest name in the, like, HBO. Like, you gotta think, bro, your boxing matches are fucking HBO. You feel me? Like, come on now. The fights, you got HBO specials. You feel me? Prime time, baby. Now you're investing into the boxing world. Like, y'all ain't trying to make no fucking money. Niggas ain't trying to make no money, man. Fuck, I know though, you know what I'm saying? Do-rag on my face and shit, tattoo face and shit, nigga. These niggas don't know nothing, man. They like Ty don't know the shit, man. This shit cracking, you feel me? Oh yeah. Looking like Pinky in the brain. Out of here. Pepto-Bismol face ass.
What?
Nigga.
What?
She got on a Pepto-Bismol pink.
What?
Hey, nigga, all we do is roast. So what? I'm telling you, y'all, hey, all we do is roast. Nobody is safe. She got roasted yesterday when she was in the Skittle Versace robe. You know what I'm saying?
Who got roasted?
You did.
By who?
Me.
No, I didn't.
All right, so they own TBS as well. Feel me? CNN, bro. CNN, bro. What? It's fucking big, yo. Turner Broadcasting System. If you go to Atlanta, you'll see Turner Broadcasting System everywhere, bro. I think that's what Peachtree and all of that. Turner owns hella fucking shit. Cartoon Network, you know what I'm saying? Fucking, if you go to the CNN Center, you'll see like they share with Cartoon Network and a lot of other shows and stuff. So it's dope. You feel me? DC Entertainment, bro. DC fucking Entertainment, bro. DC Entertainment, bro. Shit. New Line Cinema, bro. Like, come on, these are fucking banging ass companies. Like, and then that's just the major brands that AT&T acquired. Okay, like, bro, what? Also, do you know AT&T owns Direct TV as well, bro? Look, $38 a share. I'm in this bitch, bro. I showed you the growth of this motherfucker. We looking at I showed you the reason behind why I'm getting in it. Also, like I said, seen something, it was on a list of stocks to watch, but I don't just take people's shit for what it is. I go research it just like we researched it. I went to see what companies AT&T owned. I went to see that, you know what I'm saying, they own fucking HBO. We talk about boxing. We talk about motherfucking primetime, baby. We talk about them owning fucking Direct TV and Uverse, bro. Like, come on, they just motherfucking next level. So now AT&T is in your house. So now you're invested into the TV system that's in your house, the Direct TV system, and the hardware that's in your house. You know what I'm saying? Next level shit. He said, Alex Garcia, yo, what's up, bro? What's up, man? This that money live. You know what I'm saying? These not gonna get as much waves as the gaming lives, because you know people like to play fucking games. They don't like to make no money. I get paid to play video games. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm invested into the companies, baby. Like, hey, you gotta be invested into your lifestyle. You can free your life by literally investing into your passion. You know what I'm saying? Find out who owns your music company, or if you love music, find out who owns the company that owns the label of the favorite music that you like to listen to, and see how you can get a part of that. So now when you're listening to music, it's literally fucking paying you to listen to music. Find out who owns the grocery stores that you go shop at. You know what I'm saying? So now when the grocery stores are kicking back dividends, when you're spending the grocery stores, you're getting these rebates, and you know eventually the grocery store is going to be, you know, filling your refrigerator up for free. Well, all you got to do is go to the grocery store and spend the money that they gave you, you know what I'm saying, off the dividends in the grocery store. So in a sense, it's free groceries because they're paying for you. And now you got to think, these stocks, man, it's not a fucking it's not an overnight deal, but at the same time, this is I'm not gonna say it's a for everything, because the market obviously goes up and down, you know what I'm saying? But as for what it is, like, I mean, this is some shit. Oh, this is the maid right here. Shit, yeah, she should have been here. Shit. But we still gonna rock out with it. We're gonna still rock out. How you doing? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So, guys, we still here though. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we just looking at AT&T. So that was AT&T. Start with the bathrooms. Yes. So start with that one. Okay, and then you're gonna do the second room this time, because now it's all clean and ready to go. So just can you put the boxes up, or I'll put the boxes inside the crib and she just vacuum in there, and then clean the white part, the white dresser. Yeah. Okay. The ladder's in the bathroom. I'll put it in the closet. Okay. All right. So give me a second. I gotta go put this ladder in the closet. Give me 1 second. Let's get it. All right, so I'm back at this bitch. All right, let's get it. So he said too. Y'all crazy. All right, so let's look at this next stock, right? So we did AT&T, right? We did Disney. I showed you the reasons behind. And then you're like, yo, well, what construction company is building Disney, Ty? Because I know you were talking about we should be looking at the construction companies as things are being rebuilt. Now, check this out. When I looked at the construction company for Disney, I found out that Disney's construction company was Disney, which is smart. Like, let me hire my own people, because it's about total ownership, right? The entire game is about ownership. That's what it is, right? So, the whole Disney thing is just like, hey, they believe in ownership, and I feel it. That's what it is, you know? So let's look at another one now. I think bro said CVS. I'll pull it back up. Just eat Lululemon. Now I heard this Lululemon shit. One of my boys was telling me about this shit, man. So let me look up this Lululemon thing because I've been hearing about that a lot. Volkswagen, I think they run what Rolls Royce, or I don't know which one runs Rolls Royce, but I think it is Volkswagen. So I look at Volkswagen as well because you want to look at the car company that's gonna. You got to think a Rolls Royce is a timeless car, right? Like a Rolls Royce is a timeless car, right? Which means no matter if the market is crashing, no matter if it's up, no matter if it's down, people know the value, and you're investing in the value. You know what I'm saying? So you want to invest in the company that creates that car. Simple, right? So where are we looking at now? Oh, Lululemon, right? Let me pull that shit up. Boom, stock, boom. Cool. All right. So, $200. Damn, this shit busting. I didn't know this shit was busting like this. Oh shit. Okay. What are they paying on yours though? Ah, because they got that fucking mirror. Ah, okay. So this is what's going on. They fucking backed that fitness mirror. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Shit, get like 10 shares of this shit. That's like 2 racks. Let me see what it's doing first, though. All right, go back to our little things over here. AT&T, Disney. Let's go over here and put in Lululemon real quick. Feel me? I don't know why it's still trying to bring up Disney. I already got this. Oh, it's just gonna keep it on there. Boom. So now, holy shit, look at the fucking, bro, this shit's trending like a motherfucker. Damn. Hey, I don't know. It may be a good investment. Like I said, you just look at the market from a holistic view. Every time you look at it, if you're just looking at this, you can see it's going up. It just, look at the fucking, it just going up, right? It's just going up. Just going up. And people are like, how do you know it's going up? Bro, fucking look at it. If you were going to draw a mountain, right? When you draw a mountain, right, you would draw a mountain like this. Like you got to think about it. If you're going to draw a mountain top, boom, now we get into the top of the mountain, right? Going higher and higher and higher. Eventually it's going to come down and then start creating another little mountain, drop a little bit for price. But I mean, shit. After engulfing, I mean, we should just be looking for another engulfing. Maybe it will touch 193, but I mean, the month just started, so we got a little bit of, they're having a little bit of sell off right now from what is this, 204. It only dropped like $4 before market close, so I don't know. But I mean, they did invest in that mirror, and if you go to the Equinox, you will see those mirrors, and I do see a lot of people having those mirrors and stuff around. What's up, Queenie? Just making sure everything is straight, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be one of those lives though, like we're gonna make that shit happen, man. I just, so that's Lululemon. But I want to look more into this mirror thing, right? So okay, I have seen these pants. Okay, so that's what I'm investing in. Okay. Yeah, I've definitely seen these pants. Let's just go look at, like I said, I've seen them, but I didn't know it was busting like this though. You feel me? Oh shit. Fucking Lululemon's like they like North Face, like a fitness North Face. They taxing like a motherfucker. It's like a little luxury fitness brand. Oh shit. Hey, I didn't know it was busting like that. Okay. He said, and apparently it's more, wait, yo, Ty, look up FCEL and tell me what you think. Okay, hell yeah. All right, I'm on Lululemon right now, but I got you. Let me write that down. He said FCEL. Okay, I got it right now. He said, and apparently it's more important things than this that they have to teach in school. Salute, bro, informing in a good way. Bro, fuck school. Hey, I dropped out of college because I was pissed off that my professors weren't teaching me how to fucking make money, bro. What the fuck am I in school for? You know what I'm saying? Life is, look, after you get out of school, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Life is pay bills and die, nigga. if you could find some way to get your time back so you can, have some enjoyment, cool. But on the contrary, work, pay bills, and die. And then it starts again. The fucking system. Right? But yeah, so Lululemon, bro. This is dope. I didn't know it was busting like this. Oh, boom, it says investors right here. Okay. Let's see what this is. Recent press releases. Let's look at boom, October 9th. They're launching a program mental, boom, second quarter fiscal results. Okay. Let's see how much money they made. Net revenue was fucking 883.4 million, an increase of 22% compared to the second quarter of 2018, which is crazy, bro. So they went up, look, their sales went up 15%, which is dope. All right, so let's just look back at that Lululemon stock, right? So I mean, we can see that they yeah, it's busting. Hell yeah, it's busting. You feel me? So I mean, I'll probably grab like 10 shares of that. That's 10 racks. I mean, 10 racks. That's 2 racks. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So my boy said FCEL. Oh, fuel cell energy. Well, shit. Okay, energy companies. I love the energy companies. Okay. Oh, bro, found some penny stock. Bro, hold on. Okay, the highest it got to was, bro, does this shit say, is this right? 7,000, that's right, bro? Hold on. Is that what I'm looking at? I think that's what I'm looking at. Hold on. 26 cents right now, and it's green. 5 days, 1 month. Oh, it's cents. Okay, 5 years. Oh, it was at 250. Okay, that's what I need to look. I just need to see where it was at previously. So we were at 250 in 2014. So wait. So that 7,000 shit was right, bro? Hold on. It said 250 in 2014. Holy shit, that 7,000 shit was right. What the fuck? What? Hold on. It's like highest price ever. Oh, 628 at 618. Oh, okay. 22-year stock price. 618. Okay. It was just so many numbers that popped up on the screen. Like it's showing the thousands over here instead of showing me, you feel me, the actual number. So, okay. 26 cents is solid right now. Let me see what they're doing though. Maybe shit, it doesn't look like they got no fucking it don't look like they really, it looked like it was cracking for a minute and just fucking died. You feel me? Let's see. Maybe it's another fuel cell company that's, producing something like it, but it looks like it's at its wit's end right now. Like that motherfucker was busting, but I mean, if you could find something new, maybe you could find a new fuel cell company that is, as it, the market is kind of fresh and it's at 26 cents, and then we hop in that bitch at 26 cents and then hope it gets to, the fucking $2-3. That's, I mean, a lot of people cash out at $2-3. If that motherfucker had 100, 200, yo, that's solid too. That's buy and hold, and I mean, depending on what the dividends are paying too. If we find some shit that's paying monthly or semi-annually or quarterly and semi-annually, that's lit too. You feel me? So I don't know, man. I'm looking at this shit. I personally don't see no growth. Shit, the last little amount of growth was what, 2014. It's 2019, 2020, and this shit kind of at its wit's end, bro. So I mean, me personally, I wouldn't fuck with it because I mean, like I said, there's nothing going on right here, no growth. But I like fuel cell energy as in the renew, like the sound of what that market is. I'm not too well versed in that market, and I'm not gonna be the scientist to tell you like this is the stock shit is my shit. So I'm good at doing research and staying in my lane. But as with fuel cell energy, I think that's a great thing that we should be looking in. And if we could find some let me see, cell energy, I mean, that's just that. Okay, this is just a company. Okay, I mean, is there, okay, Plug Power, here's another one. All right, Ballard Power System, Bloom Energy. So energy companies, I like energy companies, man. So even like GE, you know, that's an energy company. Georgia Power, stuff like that. That's stuff you can be invested into. And that's like, yo, like the thing is, you want to try to get free. You want to try to get out of this shit. It's like, you want to get out the rat race. The only way to get out is making your money work for you. Point blank, period. All right, so imagine investing in Georgia Power, and then, you know, in 10 years, Georgia Power is paying all your fucking light bills and your gas bills and the rest of, you know, your cell phone bill and, you know, car note. You know, this is, but I'm saying 10 years because I don't want you to think this shit just get rich quick. Like I told you, I've been training for what, 6-7 years now, you know, and yo, it's not get rich quick. Okay, so a lot of people would sell it to you like, you know, they got foreign exchange programs that they'll sell to you and tell you that, you know, you can copy and paste and you'll be fucking rich in, you know, 2 days. All you got to do is recruit 5 friends and you guys will be millionaires. You know what I'm saying? And I'm here to tell you that, bro. If that was the truth, bro, they would have been millionaires. You feel me? And what's the point of recruiting the homie if I could just go be a millionaire for copying your signals, nigga? Like, why would I bring my friend along? You know what I'm saying? Not to say I ain't gonna bring the homie along, but why would I bring the homie if I could just fucking pop this shit in right here, make my dough and keep it moving? Like, what's the point of even talking to you? There's no need for me to recruit you if I'm eating. I don't need your money. You feel me? Which is like, you don't see me trying to sell you guys all the time. Cause like, bro, I've showed you how we eating, so who give a fuck. Hey, like, Ty, why you so reckless with your mouth, bro? Cause I can back it up with my handles. You know what I'm saying? My handicles. You know, you know what I'm saying? And shit. Cause we doing what we do, baby. So that was that fuel cell, bro. So that was to answer your question about the fuel cell company. But let's look at some more energy companies, because I think you're onto something, you know what I'm saying? And I think that it should be something we should look at. Let's look at some fuel cell companies or some energy companies, some other energy companies. Maybe we can find something like, maybe we can find some medical companies that have some sort of new medical breakthrough technology or something, right? So this is what I would do, right? New medical breakthrough technology. Just like this, like 2019, boom, you know. And you're like, well, what do I type in Google? Like, this is how you find, look, you got to know what you're looking for. Like, when you're looking, I mean, like I said, I've been doing this for a minute, so you got to get good at research. Stocks, investing, period, anything to do with money, you got to get good. The money's in the research. All right, if you can't research, if you're not good at finding information, somebody said wave check. Shit, I even brushed my shit or put grease, but I can still wave check. But what's up, Shorty?
What's up, Shorty? What's up, Shorty? What's up, Shorty?
Her mama got her hair all blown out. He said HGC just turned. Hold on. Shot up to 1K overnight. Hell yeah. I'm about to check that shit out right now, bro. D'Anthony in the game too. I fuck with you, bro. Hell yeah. Their stock shot up to 1K overnight. Fuck. I'm about to fucking go and check, bro. I'm about to pull that shit up right now. All right, hold on. Oh my gosh, I don't know what happened. All right, let me type this shit in over here. Give me 1 second. Versace draws. She's stupid. Oh shit. Oh fuck. What was that shit called again, bro? OCGN. I see Dwayne like to be in the energy shits. Yo, that shit did. That was in 2014. Damn. Yeah, it's at 152 right now, but yeah, pharmaceuticals. See, so let's look at some pharmaceuticals. Let's look at top performing pharmaceutical pharma stocks under $25. Feel me? Get in early, right? It's April 2019. Biotech. Let's look over there. Boom. I mean, you don't really like I said, when I'm looking to buy and long for a long time, or buy and hold for a long time, I do in-depth shit like the in-depth research like we did for AT&T, and I looked at the companies that are involved in that, because you want to make sure your shit is secure. Like, nigga, can you guys take care of my brand? Hell yeah, nigga. DC, come on, like Batman and shit. Like, Look, and then on top of that, you got DC Universe at Six Flag theme parks all around the world. You got Batman Ride. You got Batman Roller Coaster, man. Look, bro, AT&T is green. You feel me? So that's that. Yo, what's up, Bob, bro? What's the deal? What's the deal? And then he said, hold on, my boy over here, Brando said, my teachers literally were what was holding me back. I'm already knowing. I mean, meaning towards the youth, they fill our head with nonsense, not how to do taxes, which is true, bro. And I mean, look, like I said, that's the system, man. The system's not designed for you to, know this information. If you knew how easy this shit was, bro, and you knew you can make your bread work for you, why would you go spend it on Jordans? Why would you buy here? There's no reason to buy if I could just put my money here and make money with you. Feel me? But you gotta think, we're living in a consumer world, bro. We're in one of the biggest consumerism type of societies, materialism societies right now. Like, I mean, you feel me? Versace everywhere. It says materialism, you know what I'm saying? Societies in the world. So, yeah, man, it's facts. No. Huh? My dad. Said good morning, bro. Yo, what's going on? What's going on? So I'm looking at more growth over here, right? Okay, so boom. This looks like it's on the rise. Like I said, we look at trends. Like boom, you see how it's just trending. So from July. This is a 200 SMA as well. All right, so above the 200 you can buy. Below the 200 it means sell. So even if we were just using an indication of this fucking 200 SMA is a simple moving average. So a lot of people are like, yo, where'd you get the song Forex moving like NASCAR? So if you type in Forex moving average, like I said, guys, that's a tool that a lot of traders use, a moving average. So when I made the song, I had to make something that people could type in that I can rank. So when you type in Forex moving average and then Forex moving like NASCAR. So I mean, that was what that was as well. But like I said, it's a 200 SMA right here, right? So see, it's at 108 right now. It's above the 200 SMA. It might pop to 200. It said Marcus Smith, fastest growing company. It's fastest growing at 25%. It's busting right now, which it is. Looking from August to, what is this, December? Well, this is August. I don't know where August that is because it's showing me like so many different numbers. I don't know if it is this year. Oh, 2019. Okay. Well, this is July. All right, so July 2019, we were at $94. I mean, no real crazy growth, but I mean, it's at from a $10 growth, which is cool. Biotech company's biggest moneymaker is this cancer treatment. So now you look at, as we look into the medical companies, you're looking at, different things that they can treat, different technologies that are coming out to combat different diseases, different, programs that they're creating to, combat different things in the medical industry, looking for different breakthroughs, you know what I'm saying? Different, maybe somebody discovered a way to fucking pull out brain cancer with telekinesis. You know what I'm saying? This is the medical field. You never really know what breakthroughs are gonna happen, but you just want to be in a position, as it's doing this thing. And then also you got to think, healthcare is one of the biggest industries in the world. Like, shit, my girl, I'm gonna keep it bug with you. Like, she been holding down for years. I ain't have health insurance for years. I went to the doctor every day, nigga, just to get a regular checkup. I damn near spent $2,000. You feel me? Shorty was like, oh no, let me make sure you get your shit taken care of right now. So in a sense, healthcare is gonna be around forever. You feel me? Forever and ever. People are always gonna need health insurance. People are always gonna be getting sick. People are always gonna, just as humans, man, we get a fucking stomach ache. Oh, now I gotta go to the fucking hospital. But not a stomach ache. Something happened, now you gotta go to the hospital. But let's say you gotta ride in the what's that shit called? The ambulance. You know what I'm saying? Now that's a $1,000 ride? 20? 2,000? That's a $2,000 ride. So just to be invested on not the side that, you know what I'm saying, and then you just to be invested in the other side of making that bread, you know what I'm saying, instead of getting fucking taxed like that in the healthcare system. So when you rather like to receive a profit off of all the money that they're making off of people who, like me, who don't have health insurance, even your health insurance company is paying for your healthcare to be taken care of, in a sense, so man. He said, story of my life in the ER right now. Yo, D, get well. He said, tell your woman good morning too. Yeah, they say good morning. He said, I had a dream about time travel, demons, and killing. Man, shit, well, hey, bro, you got a very creative mind, man. Turn that shit into a movie, you know what I'm saying? Make you some bread off that. Chronic tinnitus and Gardner syndrome sucks. You gonna get through it. You gonna get through it. I know you're a trooper, you know what I'm saying? We here for you. We gonna ride with you, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's a family, you know what I'm saying? My boy, I just went through surgery too. My dude, Braylon, you feel me? He had the shoulder surgery, you feel me? So I'm gonna hit him up and see how you doing too, you feel me? So, but that's life, you feel me? I know you gonna make it through that shit because you're a trooper, you strong, you got them strong genes. And if you on this feed, I know you got them strong genes, you feel me? If you on this feed, because shit, you know. He said, tell your queen I said hi too. I don't know where she at. Oh, she over there. Hey, Queenie, D said hi. She took the fuck off. But, and then you see we got that action cracking back here. Behind me with the amazing shit going back there. So, hey man, it's like, it's the life, man. This shit is, it's real. This is what we do for real. All right. So, just showing you like, feel me? So I can show you how to really do this shit, really get this life shit cracking. You see the lifestyle, man. I mean, you see what's going on. You guys are in my world. I'm showing you how to bust down. Yeah, I mean, you see what's going on. You feel me? So this is about to have this whole shit cleaned up, about to be amazing in here, man. And while I'm on here teaching you guys how to get bread, and at the same time, I mean, I'm finding more options for myself too. We're looking at more pharmaceutical companies, you know what I'm saying? Now we're looking and doing more research. So, and it says this is what I'm doing. When you wondering, yo, Ty, what are you doing? You should be streaming longer. Nah, hell no, I can't stream longer because I gotta fucking go look at where to put some bread. You feel me? Unless you want to hop on here with me and move this money with me like we're doing right now. So if people want to see me stream longer, then you got to understand, man, this is Tyler. When this Tyllionaire shit, a lot of people, I want to wear it, bro. Right now, we not selling this shit, bro, because I mean, I want you to understand that this brand, I want you to treat this brand like Versace, bro. Facts. Like, it's built on values. It's like we got different values. Like, you're not just gonna put this shit on and wear it. Like, people are gonna recognize what that shit means. Like, yo, we just went through the stock market. I just busted down for you know what I'm saying, and showed you, some companies and shit to fuck with and why to fuck with them. Not just, throwing shit out in the open saying, oh man, this is what it is. Nah, fuck that, bro. We did the research and we looked at it. So I don't know if you seen what I seen. You can, like I said, you could do your own research, but I showed you why I'm invested into what it is that I'm invested into. You know what I'm saying? So that part. He said, word, I be down to learn everything. Hell yeah. He said, I love you. I just love your house, bro. You got the best view. I mean, that's what it is. Like I said, I love to do the gaming streams, man, but this is Tyllionaire right here. Investors Daily. I'm a very well-known investor. A lot of people, you know me from streaming Fortnite and playing games and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, like, I gotta afford this place, man. And you looking at that work right here. Feel me? So usually you see how it's 30 tabs up here right now. About 15, 20 tabs. I mean, usually that should be looking reckless. I got like 4 screens open, tabs all over the place and shit. Like, I don't know if it let me show you all 3 of my screens. You feel me? I got shit right here, shit over here on this screen. You know what I'm saying? So I'm dragging shit from over here to over here. And soon we're gonna get 2 more screens in here so I got more space and more tabs. I need more. I'm running out of workroom. My boy told me I needed to upgrade to i9 processor. That's like more computing power for my computer, because he was like, it's like having 8 different workers. So if I got 5 screens and 8 workers going on with the 280 Ti GeForce, I should be kicking. I got 32 gigs of RAM in there right now. So I mean, we're gonna build us a powerful computer. And if you guys got even more ways I can make my computer even more powerful, let me know. In the roofs? Okay. And then okay. All right. You gonna do the bathroom in there, yeah? Okay. All right, so give me a second so I can explain how I want my bathroom done, but I'll be right back. I know you guys probably like, damn, Ty, you ain't got up, but I mean, like I said, the maze is here, so give me 1 second, man, and I'm about to tell them how I need my bathroom done, because I like my shit done a certain way. I mean, I'm paying for it. You know, so Pink Pepto Bismol face ass. Pink Panther face ass. Fuck out of here.
Hey,
Face ass.
okay, stop talking about me so much.
Pink gummy bear lips face ass. Fuck. I mean, fucking, hey, you know what they say about the girls? That's not the bonnet, but wear the shit to the front like that. You know what I'm saying? They fucking give demon throat. Oh!
Stop telling our personal life like that.
Hold on. Hold on.
All right, since
Hold on. But yeah, let me go. Let me go check on the fucking man real quick, man. Let me tell him I need my shit. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Give me like 2 seconds. But yeah, we back in this bitch. What's the deal? What's the deal? I'm cracking. Like I said, these lights be lit, yo. But you know, back to these. So we was looking at that cancer treatment, right? All right. So let's see why this patient news is big for Bristol's accusation. This was the 2nd of November. Khalid stock jumped Monday after U.S. officials declined to move forward with a patent. Challenge rivals, boom. Meanwhile, shares from what is this? Laboratories. Okay, who is this? Okay, U.S. patent they declined. Boom. What are they? Oh, they declined it. Okay, we believe investors have remained concerned. IP developments in the first half of the year could raise risk and potentially derail the acquisition by Bristol. Okay. They're trying to make a generic version of Revlin. Okay, so in a sense, look. This is how to finesse. This is how to finesse the medical industry. That's what I'm looking at right now. As we get deeper into this shit, you can find the pills or whatever medicine is selling the most, right? And then invest into the company that is making that medicine, right? So like right here, they got this Revlin pill, right? Dr. Reddy is trying to create this pill to rival the big Salige. I guess that's their biggest moneymaker. They're doing fucking $10 billion in fucking sales of this Revlin pill, whatever this shit is. What is it? Revlimid. All right, so let's look at what Revlimid is, you know, price. So, holy shit. This shit, whoa. Hey, this one fucking pill, hey, this shit is expensive as fuck. Look, the cost for Revlimid oral capsule 2.5 milligrams is around $21,051 for a supply of 28 capsules, depending on the pharmacy you visit. Whoa, nigga, $21,000 for 28 capsules, bro. 21,000 for fucking 28 pills. Now you got to think. That's why, yo, this medical industry is booming. Yo, if you can run it up like that on some pills though, What's this? Oh, okay. And some pizza. Hey, she got me some pizza for the AM. Well, pizza for the AM.
It wasn't.
It ain't
healthy.
Yeah, it's not the healthiest, but it's pizza.
It's
you feel
food.
me? But 21,000 guys, ladies and gentlemen, $21,000. You know what I'm saying? For 28. I don't know if you guys seen it. I'm gonna blow it up. You can read it right here. Where it said Revlimid prices, and we just looked at that company. So this the company that's selling that Revlimid shit. Is called Cell Genes. I think it's a great buy. If they're fucking pushing shit like that, I want to see what it cures too. Cause 28 fucking bands, nigga. Damn, you feel me? Was that an AIDS pill? Like, not really. Like, what does? Because if that's the case, I mean, you're making money off AIDS. What? I don't know, but I'm just saying, like, if that's the case, I'm just saying, you're making money off sex. Like, okay, what is Revlimid treat? Okay, let's look that up right now. You can see I'm typing that into the Google right now. All right, so we're gonna find out what this shit treats, because this is fucking crazy. Okay, cancer. Oh, okay. Okay, it uses this shit called lenalidomide, which is used to treat various types of cancer. It works by slowing or stopping the growth of cancer cells. So people are getting, they said it's a chemotherapy, it's a cancer drug, so it's helping cancer. Damn. Okay. So individuals can get it through a prescription. They can get it for $50 a month. All right. But I mean, the cost of the drug for the pharmacy to get it, or for the whatever company to produce it and get it, is what was that? $21,000 and $21,051. That's reckless, bro. I'm gonna eat it in a second. That's fucking reckless, man. So, like I said, man, I don't want to bore y'all all day with stocks, but this is what I do, man. And a lot of people want me to go live and shit, entertain. And I mean, this is my way of entertaining, man. I just want to do it my way. I want you to know the real me, and be as transparent as possible. You feel me? So that's it. As long as I could be, and then throw this away too. All right, and then they're gonna come over here and clean all this shit in a second too. But yeah, so we rocked out today, guys. We looked at some stocks. We looked at, some ways we can make some money. You guys learned about Lululemon. You learned about AT&T. You feel me? You didn't know AT&T owned DC Universe. A lot of people know AT&T own Uverse, but I'm saying DC Universe. Like, you can invest in fucking DC Universe. What? You feel me? So, just the next levelness, of what this is like, this is like something serious, it's something serious. He said, do you have some kind of, I love talking business audits, and that's what I'm going to create. I'm going to create that, man. I'm going to create that. I know people have been trying to get involved with that and stuff like that. He said, got to get some sleep. Yeah, I'm about to hop off too. He said, do you have some sort of investment group or anything like that? I love talking business and passing knowledge. And D'Anthony, I do, bro. I do. I mean, I don't now, but I'm working on, I'm working on creating that for us and for people like me and you, because like I said, like, my whole brand, bro, is literally this, like, Tyllionaire. If you look it up, you'll see multiple fucking lives change. You'll see, results of people getting real results in the fucking foreign exchange market. Like it's a lot behind this, and a lot of people only see me playing video games, and I mean, shit, that's because now you see me having fun with the shit I've already made, but let's go back and let's go to the fucking root of the story. And I feel like if you go to the root of the story, you too can, be successful and do whatever the fuck it is that you want to do. You feel me? So you already know I was gonna end this live off with that young Tyllionaire flow. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. This song. I'm gonna let that shit rock in the background. So much better than the bottom. See, I'm still looking at Robert too. I got you guys. Young and Pain with a maid. Fuck it. It's that lifestyle. Hey, that's crazy though. Hold on, listen to that. Yo, I only speak facts in the songs though. Am I lying or not? I'm living, you know what I'm saying? Young and Pain with a maid. Fuck it. It's that lifestyle difference. You see the difference, nigga. Everybody listen. It's gonna be fucking lit though. Now we off that Forex. He said, it's your boy Ty and I'm out. Hey, you already know. Let's vibe to this though.
So let's really talk dividends. The big dogs move the mortars in. Look, Forex living, Forex moving. ETX stocks, baby, all inclusive. REITs, bitch, I'm really a mix. Niggas mad that I'm black and move stocks like bricks. On the same thing as Buffett, I found some monthlies that hit. Found some annual flips and some quarterly kicks.
Yo, I'm really like the little like Lil J. Like, Jay made his bread out the coke game, you know what I'm saying? And like, nigga, I'm a real dude. I'm a hood nigga who made it out the stock shit. Like, and that's how crazy this story is. You feel me? So we on that rise right now. I appreciate everybody for fucking with me, man. I'm vibing out with y'all. You guys, I fucking love you guys. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for tuning in today. It's your boy Ty, and I'm out.